Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your OPPO Find X3 Pro. So to do this we have to open the phone dialer and then move to the contacts on the right bottom corner, and right now we have to just click on one of the contact, then tap on the three dots in the right upper corner and click to set the ringtone. Next we can find all of these default ringtones. There we go. And also the custom one by going here and selecting from the music or the recordings the file that you want to set up. Then we can just go back, and as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.